Welcome to Graberworks. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and comment. Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. Today's video is on a laser cut Christmas ornament. I made several of these, and because it's before Christmas, I don't want people to know who is getting them, so I used the farm dog's name for this video. The first piece I cut was the back and will be glued to each ornament. The ornaments are fragile and need support. I dropped two of them and the snowflakes broke off. I then moved on to cutting the ornament main piece. Each ornament took about 7 minutes to cut, so I've speeded up the video. I used a 2-inch lens with 10mm speed to cut the ornaments. The materials I used were 1/8 inch plywood, super glue, white paint, and a clear coat to seal the charred edges. I really like the look of the unfinished wood for the back, but it could have been painted or stained a color. Thank you for watching Graberworks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and comment. Thanks again.